Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I received a swap from my friend Miss Priscilla. We've swapped on a Facebook group before, and the last thing I received from her, I think, was a loaded gingerbread themed envelope. I'll be sure to link that video below. But me and a few people that I've swapped with before decided to do an annual tag swap, and we're going to do them over any of the holidays, just 5 tags, at least 3x3 of any shape. She has sent me some stickers, Valentine stickers. There's some butterflies in there. There's some little tags, like little tickets. And her topper says, "It's not shopping, it's called retail therapy." She's also sent me this little package here that says hi, and it has some emoji stickers and some of that emoji tape. And then she sent me some little 3D monkey stickers. This little popped up topper says "Live Well." And then in this second little thing is some rub-on classic ink transfers, and they're like clocks. And here are her tags. They were in this package here that says "Laughed Often." So her first one is 4th of July themed. She has some red and white twine. She has half of a doily and a little pinwheel. It says America down here with some stars and like a little burst glittery thing in the back. That's the back of that. And then she's done Halloween, and she has like a black shape tag with a little yellow reinforcer, a little skeleton guy with this hat and a crow, and then a spider web, and then another little spider web up here with a little spider on it, and it says Halloween. And then there's a St. Patrick's Day, and this one has some green ribbon. It's a green and gold kind of shape. It says "Good luck, hello," with a shamrock and some bling pieces. And then here's her Easter one. It's a really cute shape. It's pink. It has like a half a doily and like some floral paper. It says "Happy Easter." There's some foam flowers and a little foam bunny. It's got stitching, and then a kind of a puffy bunny sticker, some pink ribbon. And then here's a scalloped heart. It says "You and Me," and then there's some scallop kind of glittery hearts in the back. There's some of those puffy hearts you can get from the Target dollar spot. The butterfly, and there's like a vellum heart on the bottom that says "Love." She has some white and pink ribbon. Thank you, Miss Priscilla, for swapping with me. I wanted to also thank you for the extra goodies. I loved all of your tags. I hope you like what I made. Thank you all for watching, and have a good day. Bye.